Good morning. My name is Rinit Tyagi, Group 385 from the course General Medicine. For the subject of clinical practice, I'll be showing today how to make the procedure of taking the blood intravenously. So, firstly, we need to clean our hands, wash our hands. So, we'll be using sanitizer here and the European technique, that is 7-step process. Palm to palm, firstly, in between the finger from the back, then the thumb area, the nails, then the wrist area, then we are all done. So I need to wear the gloves in this process. I'll be wearing my gloves now. As I have my gloves on, I need to clean the arm and the general area of from where I will be taking the blood from. Generally, the blood is taken from the antecubital area and antecubital region for the by using the 70% alcohol swab. We need to clean the general area of it. I'll be administering the puncture of the skin with the help of the thermocol I have with me. Due to the limited resources, we need to clean with the 70% alcohol doused swab the general antecubital area. Don't retouch the area because it will be contaminated. Ideally, we need the vacutainer needle for taking the blood out, but I don't have that available with me, so we'll be using the orthodox method, that was from the injection barrel. So we need to apply the tourniquet on the upper arm and inject the needle in the medial cubital vein that I have here, as you can see visible. So if we bind the hand with the tourniquet, it will make the vein more visible, so as and make it swell up, so it can be punctured easily. As we insert the needle, we need to hit the vein, so we'll be applying the pressure at the 35-degree angle, holding the needle hard like this. At the 35-degree angle, we will need to go this much, and you will be able to see the blood coming back to the barrel. If you not try to push it, and if you don't see the blood, that means you haven't reached the vein and you need to start again. And if you do see the blood here, yes, you can go further on and take out the blood from the vein, slowly. As we take out the blood from the vein, we will remove the needle slowly and check for the pain or the hematoma, etc. And we will apply the we need to put the needle aside and putting the cap on it. Then next we need to apply the alcohol swab, sterilized swab on the general antecubital region, so as to stop the bleeding for at least a minute. Finally, we will put the blood into the test tube for that will go for the pathology lab or whatever the blood is required for in the test tube, and we will put a cap on the test tube and mix the blood in the tube homogeneously by making the number 8 symbol in the air in the test tube. And that's how we'll apply the and that's how we'll administer the intravenous blood taking procedure. Thank you. After administering the procedure, we need to make sure the garbage should be disposed of in the proper manner. The plastics should be disposed of in the group A bin, dustbin, and the syringe and the needles need to be disposed of in the group B, dustbin. Thank you.